Today I'm reviewing the 7-inch touchscreen HD GPS unit by Samyang. To complete my review, I plugged in the same destination into the built-in GPS as well as the Samyang GPS.
Take the next right.
Now turn right.
In addition to matching my built-in GPS turn for turn, the Samyang GPS also had an additional amount of features not found on my own built-in GPS. Once satellites were acquired, the Samyang system is every bit as accurate as my factory navigation system built into this Jeep. The slim profile and portable design make this unit ideal for rental cars or for a vehicle that doesn't have this system built in already. The additional applications built into this GPS, the ability to customize its features to your travel preferences, and a version of Windows CE make this an extremely versatile portable GPS unit. Thank you for checking out my video review. Have a great day.